If a variable is holding a numerical value, there can be a need to increase the variable or to increment the variable by a certain number. If x is a variable containing a numerical value, the command x plus b assigned to x increases the value of x by b. Such operation is called incrementing. A variable containing a string value can be incremented by what it seems to be a concatenation. Looking at this statement for the second time, x plus b is assigned to x. Assignment statement is better read from backward, that is from right to left. Okay, so x plus b is assigned to x. You are as if instructing the computer to sum up the value of x and the value b, then assign the result to the variable x. If you are coming from an extreme mathematics background, you find out that this is madness. But in programming, this is not a madness. It makes sense. Okay? The x on the left, and something to tell you. This is not an equation. This is not an equation. As I said, the equal sign here is different from the equal sign in math. In math, it means equals. Here it means assigned to. So this is not an equation, and the x on the left hand side of this assignment statement is different from the x on the right hand side of the assignment statement. The x in the left hand side of the assignment statement is variable representing itself. The x on the right hand side of the assignment statement is the value contained in the variable. So take it as the value. Okay? So let's look at example of incrementing a variable. So look at line 1. The value 1 is assigned to count, and yes, on input of count we get 1. And look at line 3, where count is incremented by 1 by saying count plus 1 is assigned to count. And let's look at the output on line 4. The output is 2. Okay, it means count is incremented or has been increased from 1 to 2. Is incremented by 1. Okay, on line 5, count is incremented by 5, and the output on line 6 is 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and this is a incrementing version of string, where the string s or a is assigned to the variable s, and on line 8 the value in s is concatenated with x, and the result is assigned to s, and on input we get ax. So thank you, class.